Hi guys, this is McLaren with a tutorial on how to use iMovie for beginners. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna close back up. You're gonna hit iMovie. Oops. You're just gonna click it. Alright, here we go. First thing you wanna do is come up here, hit New Project. Alright, I'm gonna type in teaching iMovie. Alright. Let me tell you about the aspect ratio. Standard is basically from top to bottom seeable. Same thing, widescreen, standard from an iPhone, which just fits on your iPhone, which is really crappy on the computer. Yeah, I think from TVs and stuff. Comic books or themes, I probably should add one, just in case. I'll add a comic book theme. Create. Alright, here's my project, which is teaching iMovie. Then you have to import in your event. You can hit new event, type one in, but I already have an event with a bunch of things. But if you want to import, have to you have to go into File, go down to Import, click Movies, and search around where your video is, and just double click it, and it'll come up. You can put it up as original size or large. I just do large, honestly. Optimum. But full might be better for you guys. Alright, let's go to Soxy. Alright, this is my cat. Alright, let's start. Let me go back to double check something. It's always good to go double check your project to make sure everything's right. The timing, all the transitions. Okay, everything seems to be going good. I'm going to find a part in my video that I want to get. Alright, let's say I want from here. You just click and highlight whatever spot you want. It doesn't matter where it is or how much it is. Just highlight, hold, drag it down. Alright, so now as you see, it comes up as iMovie, comes up as the comic book. If you want to decrease the comic book where it is, how much it's going to be there, just turn this off. You can hold on to it and turn off automatic transit. And you can just bring it back as much as you want. So I'll say right there 1.6 seconds, and then transition into my video. Now I'm going to get another spot from another clip. From here to 5.4. From there, I'm going to add that. And I might just even add this. Alright, now that we got our clips in, we can now add our effects on there, or music or whatever. Oh, and by the way, for photos, if you have any photos, you are best off, or videos. I prefer to import them, but you can also import photos through iPhoto, import movies through iPhoto. Yeah, you can't actually import photos from your desktop, I don't think. So just grab photos like this one and drag it over to iPhoto and it'll show up there. I'll do a quick demonstration really fast. I'll just put this in iPhoto. I'll open iPhoto. It's taking a little while. That is my photos. Importing. Alright, there's a really weird photo of me. So, Okay, come on. Alright, now it's here. Now you can find it in the vent library. Right there. And I will close this. If my computer's not so slow for some reason. Been doing a lot of downloading lately. Oh, come on. Are you kidding? Alright, there we go. Now a bunch of garbage thumbnails on there. Now I can go all the way down and I should find it. It's probably loading. iPhoto events. Oh yeah, I think I didn't go into events that time. Yep, there we go. There's my face. And now you can just grab that and bring it here. But I'm not going to. Okay, so for music, you can get any music you want. I'll get one of my weird Bang Duck. Yeah, I'll type it down here. Bang Duck by Afrojack. And I'm not going to play it because I'm planning on being a YouTube partner, so this will kind of lose my chances if I think I'll lose my chances if I do copyright, so I'm not gonna play it. But here I can figure out which spot I want to bring it to. So I can choose which spot. I can choose here, but if I only want to get a certain part, you know, if I only want to get a certain area in here of music, like I don't want any music from here to here, I can actually do that and then have music from here to here, so it's like selecting where you want it. So you gotta go all the way down here and just hold on to this and bring it right next to where you want it. And it's good to be good at math with iMovie because it's like precision editing. So now we just, alright, now it's like there, and now we can just hold it and move it wherever we want. Say we want to move it here. Now we have it in that little area that we got it. Okay, now we're done with music. We can go to text, and now we can put the credits, I presume, in the end where most people put them, unless you're really weird and put them up in the front. I don't know. Okay, well, they're starring my name. I'd rather do Kearns. It's more of a text feeling, more of a credits feeling. Alright, now I'll say teaching iMovie, enter, starring. Well, I'll double click back on this so I can, and you don't have to say starring, you can say presenting McLaren, or if it's not fitting, I'll just do, McLaren, what? MC, huh, well, you get the point. Alright, and you're presenting iMovie, blah blah blah, there's the credits. You can also add stuff in the background too. So, okay, there's my cat. Now let's say we want a title right here, right in between there, and I'll pick this. I'll click here, Laren. Alright, let me see if I can change this back now. McLaren, there we go. We're good. Alright, I put McLaren there, and I think I'm good with that. Oh, also the Star Wars effect, that's pretty cool. I might just add that just to show you. Alright, I normally do stars. Okay. Now you just type here McLaren la 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 la. Okay. Alright, now yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go to translations, and we can always put a blur or cross dissolve here. So right before my cat socks, it's going to blur up a little bit. I don't know if you saw it. Let me play it again. Yeah, so it's gonna blur like right there. Blur in, and there's many different effects. You can always do a mosaic. You put that right there. So let me re-show you that. Alright, right here. Huh. This is bumming me out. Well, the mosaic's not that cool anyways. Alright, so you can do maps and backgrounds if you want a background for anything. Just for like the last 2 seconds if you want it black. You can also delete clips by highlighting them. Right click, cut, or delete selection. I'll just do cut, it's easier. And now here, once the video's over, it kind of makes sense not to end it immediately, so you have some black to kind of even it out. I think, and you can also share it and put it through iTunes, your media, export to YouTube, or export using QuickTime, which is most preferred. I already showed you text. You can also change the font here, and you can change the size and everything. Here's your view, your edits. You can join clips. If you actually, yeah, you can join clips. You can split clips. Yep. Then you can always add a little. You can detach the audio if you don't want it there, or you can just you can actually delete it too, and that's so I think that's about it. So I hope you learned some stuff about iMovie. If you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need help, as I said before in any of my videos, if you need help with anything in the Mac at all, please comment and I'll answer you immediately, and I'll teach you how to do it. So please comment on my videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.